Welcome all of you sauce and gravy fanatics out there. Thank you for watching. Get ready to learn how to make an easy, healthy blueberry vinaigrette, a homemade salad dressing recipe perfect for summer. You'll be happy to know there's no prep work. A salad dressing doesn't get any easier than this. Grab half of a cup of blueberries, that's about 80 grams, pour it into a food processor, or you can use a high-speed blender if you like. Next, you'll want to add Dijon mustard, half of a tablespoon, 14 grams. Raid that spice rack, grab some smoked paprika, quarter of a teaspoon, in it goes. Smash that subscribe button to learn sauce making tips and techniques. Time for you to grab your olive oil, add 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, pour it in. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And this do-it-yourself homemade blueberry vinaigrette, it's not only tasty, it's healthy, it's even gluten-free. Rounding out the flavors with a hint of sweetness, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you can always substitute with a dash of honey. Add half of a tablespoon or 8 milliliters of balsamic vinegar. Round it all off with 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of H2O, water. Drop in some sodium chloride, in other words salt. Spank in some black pepper. So check it out, quick and easy. That pretty much does it with all of the ingredients. Now we blend. Blitz this for a few minutes until it's as smooth as you like. And if you're one of those people that likes it really super smooth, you could either use a high-speed blender and blend it really well, or you could use a fine sieve and strain it out after you're done. Let's give this a look-see, shall we? Look at how thick and rich that is. Look at that deep blueberry color. Now that's a vinaigrette. And just imagine, if you make this for your friends and family, they'll be like, oh my goodness, where did you get this gourmet blueberry vinaigrette? And then you can gloat and say, it's a homemade vinaigrette. I made it myself. And you know, how satisfying is that, right? Well, thanks again, Sauce and Gravy Nation, for watching another great episode. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and remember, keep whisking, y'all.